Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar continues to remain on its bear track since the peak of 81.35. Now posting the 3.5 week low does suggest that the technical implications are getting a little bit oversold, but that being said, we are closer now towards the 77.70 60-day moving average. It is viewed that the market will defend this level due to the fact is that it's seen as a key level for the CTAs, which are also known as commodity trading advisors or hedge funds. As you can see from this point, that the market did break when it cut through 76.80, that the initial bull trend was triggered. If we do break 77.70, then this would open way towards 75 cents, quite a significant move. But we do need confirmation though of 45 trading to the downside, of that is 77.45, to confirm the market is bearish. At the moment we're challenging this minor support at 15 with the resistance seen at 78.60. Well, overnight the dollar index took a daring rally from the lows of 89.31 to a high of 90.25 and clearing the 90 hurdle. It is viewed that further upside potential is seen, therefore should see further weakness to the euro and look towards 122.25 to 121.80.90, with the shooting star confirmed now that we've broken 123.5, does give further scope to the downside with resistance at 122.90. Dollar yen still slightly on the slow uptake. Nevertheless, dips are still a buy, and I still expect to see the dollar yen rally on towards 109.65 to 110.5. Support on the day, 108.75. Well, the pound has taken another hit to the downside, but still holding above the 138.45 support. Today is the Bank of England's rate decision. It is viewed that the 9 members on the board committee would actually look towards a more slightly dovish tone, but if we do get a slight hawkish move, then we could see the pound rise back up towards the 139 region. At this present stage, from the recent weakness, I do expect to see 136.20 eventually come through before initial buying to return. Now the clock was ticking loud for the gold, and it took out the support at 1,320, initiating further weakness to the downside, and now exposes 1,297 to the figure. Any advances on the day should find resistance now coming in at 23 to 28, with the immediate support seen at 14. Oil remains bearish and now extending towards 60.60 as the target. I do expect to see profit taking to come through from that region, with the immediate resistance seen now at 62.40. And rounded off with silver, well, the market took out the $16.60 level, and this has given further implications to the downside, with 16.20 now seen as a target. If that fails to hold, then we could be looking down towards $15.80, but then I do expect to see a strong surge to the upside. That wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.